Clement with Kathy by Design for the Button Farm Club, and I'm here to give you a sneak peek of my August kit for the Button Farm Club. With Christmas coming, we all have those traditional family recipes, heritage family recipes that we want to pass on down to the generations. So this is a great time to make a recipe album. We're going to use this Echo Park 6x8 with this wonderful red interior, and this, even though it's Christmas, we're going to cover it and we're going to make it not be Christmas. We're going to use Carta's really adorable Roll With It paper collection. You're going to get the 6x6 paper pad with 24 double-sided sheets. You're also going to get the 12x12 with 12 double-sided sheets and the sticker sheet, plus 2 extra sheets. So this is a lot of paper. You'll be able to get all your recipes in. We're going to use this adorable aqua floral to cover the front of our album. So you get 2 sheets of that in the 12x12. And then the 6x6 paper, I'll just show you the patterns. This is so perfectly retro. This takes me right back to my Grammy's kitchen and all the happy memories that are there. I love the color palette. The patterns are fantastic. The little images are just wonderful. So we're going to use all of these in making our album. And you get all these wonderful, look at the aqua with the red. That is so classically retro. I just love it. All the stand mixers. And then of course they repeat. So you get 2 of each pattern. We're also going to get 12 recipe cards from Echo Park that are themed to go with the album, and the colors are perfect. And then we're also, this kit is loaded, y'all. I'm so excited about it. We're going to get the ephemera pack. Look at these great retro images. Lots of room for little journaling, notes, dressing up your album with all these cute, cute, cute little icons and frames. And then you're also going to get frames and tags. I'll show you those very quickly as well. So look how great these are. The secret ingredient is always love. That is so true. So you're going to get both of these in your kit. You're going to get all 12 of these 12x12 papers. I love the images. I'm so excited to put this together because I love retro and I love this color palette. You get the sticker sheet. Look at this great old stove, the mixers, all these great little accents for our albums. You're going to get 20 pocket pages to get you started on creating your album. A nice bundle of red and white twine that's the perfect match for this paper collection. And then look at this, the little bundt cake, the little stand mixer, and the little measuring cup. You're going to get these sweet charms to decorate your album with. So you can order this at the Button Farm Club. Your kit also comes with video tutorial links, so you can watch me as I create and create along with me. You also get a full color basic written guide that has all the measurements and score lines and detail photos to help you create your album. So what are we making? Well, how about this super adorable baking album? I love the retro vibe. I love the colors. Everything about this just takes me back in time and makes me feel all happy. So great big album, decorated spine, little tag on the back, and then the inside is just loaded with pockets and pages. There are interactive elements worked into here. It's a really, really, really beautiful album with pullouts and hidden pages and just all kinds of room for photos, for journaling, for memories. It's really, really wonderful. I think you're going to enjoy making this, and it's a beautiful gift. Best of all, it is super quick to make thanks to these pocket pages. It doesn't take any time at all to knock this out. So if you're wanting to give this as a Christmas gift, you're going to have plenty of time to get it done before the holiday. So that is what we are making in our August Button Farm Club kit of the month. We even have a couple extra little recipe cards back in here. And I hope you will hop on over to the Button Farm Club, take a look at ordering this wonderful kit. And I thank you so much for joining me, Kathy Clement, Kathy by Design, for the Button Farm Club. Go get your craft on. Bye.